Starting an export business can be very profitable, but many new exporters make mistakes that cost them time and money. If you are planning to start an export business, avoiding these common mistakes can save you from major losses. Mistake number 1, starting export without proper market research. Many exporters do not study which countries actually need their products. Always research demand, competition, and pricing in the target market before exporting. Mistake number 2, ignoring international trade regulations. Every country has different import laws, taxes, and compliance requirements. If exporters ignore these rules, shipments can be delayed or rejected. Mistake number 3, poor product quality. As you can see, these meet international standards. In global markets, buyers expect high quality and international standards. The seals are broken and the packaging is damaged. I see. That's not good. I'm rejecting this shipment. Low quality products can damage your reputation and reduce repeat orders. Mistake number 4, incorrect export documentation. Even a small mistake in paperwork can delay your shipment.
I see. Which part is wrong?
Right here, the tariff code is incorrect.
Professional documentation is essential for smooth international trade.
Mistake number 5, poor logistics planning.
Shipping costs, delivery time, and transportation must be carefully planned.
Without proper planning, exporters may face delays and higher costs. Mistake number 6, wrong pricing strategy. Pricing should include production cost, shipping, taxes, and market competition. Mistake number 7, not verifying international buyers. Let's verify this buyer's credentials online. Confirmed, the company is verified.
Some exporters lose money because they trust buyers without verification.
Always check the buyer's reputation, business license, and payment history.
Mistake number 8, using unsafe payment methods.
Safe payment options like letter of credit can protect exporters from financial risk.
Avoid these common mistakes, plan carefully, and your export business can grow successfully in global markets.